and welcome back to Ganesh Institute. Yet another video on trigonometry. We were in these question series, exercise 8.1, question number 10. Read it. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, okay? So we have PQR, which is right angled at Q. PR plus QR is 25 and PQ is 5. We have to find out the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Now, of course, we have to find out the unknown, right? जो नहीं पता है उसको find out करना है, कैसे होगा? ये तो एक equation दी हुई है, right? तो अगर किसी एक को x मान लें, let PR be x, तो QR क्या हो जाएगा? 25 minus x, right? तो QR है 25 minus x और PR हमने x माना है. अब हम Pythagoras थ्योरम लगाते हैं और let's find out the value of x, okay? Hypotenuse squared is equal to perpendicular squared plus base squared, right? Now put down all the values. PR is x, PQ is 5, QR is 25 minus x. So this is 5 5s are 25. Do you know how it goes? A minus B whole squared. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि 25 का स्क्वायर कर दिया और x का स्क्वायर कर दिया, खत्म. होल स्क्वायर है ना, तो होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है a माइनस b का? A स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, right? Let's put in the expression. 25 स्क्वायर 625 है प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. तो ये हुआ x स्क्वायर 25 625 25 2s are 50x, right? Can you see 50x is now 650, right? So x is 13. तो अगर ये 13 हुआ तो ये 25 minus 13 यानी 12 हो गया. अब जो वैल्यूज पूछी हैं, that's easy peasy task now. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos is base upon hypotenuse and tan is perpendicular upon base. तो sine क्या होगा? perpendicular upon hypotenuse with respect to p. p के respect में perpendicular क्या है? 12. hypotenuse 13. अगर p के respect में perpendicular 12 है तो base क्या है? 5 over 13 और perpendicular upon base हो जाएगा 12 over 5. Clear? Now we have these values. Before that, I would like to tell you कैसे हम table बनाते हैं. But let's discuss that in the next class, okay? I'm hoping that you've got it. And if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.